We are on day 18 of our 21-day forgiveness journey. There's still time to join us, and you can always access all of the replays and catch up on everything we've been doing. What we've been doing is seeing if it's possible to go from angry, bitter, and resentful to more forgiving and free in 21 days. Just a few days ago, I had everybody submit their trackers. They're using this tracker to keep track of if they weren't even able to look at the scenario, to being able to release it, to possibly even rebuilding with that person. It's incredible in such a short amount of time with intention and group support, how people are going from they weren't even willing to look at it to having an entirely new relationship with that person with very different boundaries, or completely releasing them. And it's just not a part of, that person's not a part of their lives anymore. They have forgiven and they feel free. Think about it. That person who hurt you may not know, care, remember. They may not even be alive. And here you are walking around with the physical, mental, and emotional symptoms, sleep and digestive issues, and inability to feel safe and trust because of what someone did years, maybe even decades ago. And think about all the power we're giving and continue to give that person. And if they're getting all of our power, what's left for us, for your own self-care and your own healing? So forgiveness is more than just, and it's not condoning the behavior, setting yourself up for it to happen again. You're weak, you're a sucker. You're valuing yourself enough to stop punishing yourself for something that happened long ago. So join us for the final week of the 21-day forgiveness journey. It is so powerful. The stories, the examples, the tools, the resources I'm giving everyone in order to do this powerful work and forgive, and they are. It's not about the other person, it's about you. So join us, click the link in my bio. There's still time. I'll see you a little bit later on today.